Welcome to RTG, the app that strives to help motivated students take control of their day so you can live with purpose, avoid burnout, and be amazed at what you can accomplish. With RTG, we don't start with tasks or calendar entries. We start with identities. Who are you becoming? A focused student, a founder, a creative artist, a loyal friend? When you do this, your daily priorities become clear, even for free, unstructured time. Once your identities are set, it's time to plan. Start by adding in classes, meetings, and appointments with fixed start times. Then assign blocks of time to each. Next, you add time cards to prioritize what you'll do with your unstructured time. Create time cards and assign blocks of time for the identities and activities that matter most to you, like working out, spending time with friends, working on a business idea, studying, and more. The Guiderail provides a visual guide for sequencing your time cards, showing conflicts where time overlaps or when you're overscheduling. Move, adjust, defer, or delete commitments until you have a plan that feels right and achievable. This isn't just productivity, this is planning and doing with intention and purpose. When you complete focused blocks of time, RTG keeps score by counting that effort. Start by setting focused time goals to the identities where you want to apply focused effort. Let's say 20 hours per week as a focused student, or 3 hours per week as a creative artist. With the Guiderail and scorecards, RTG is your motivational dashboard, providing the right signals to help you push and strive through your day with intention and determination, even on days when you're not feeling it. When it comes to winning in life, it's much harder to do it alone. RTG is designed to connect you to a community of other ambitious, like-minded students. Share your wins, get support when you're stuck, and celebrate progress together. This is your time, your life, and your game. Take control of it. Be present. Raise the game. RTG is free and available to NCSU students. Sign up to request access today.